Hi, my name is Todd Heberlein. I'm a business development manager for Exertis Almo. Here's the first steps with beginning to work with BrightSign. Step one is determine how you want to manage your content. Now there's three choices listed here, but there's actually more available. For more information, you can review the documentation on BrightSign's website. So standalone is not very commonly used, but it is important to introduce just in case you don't have any network available. If you do have a local area network, and you have less than 10 players, then utilizing the local area network setup may be your choice. To use that, you do have to utilize a computer on the same network as the players, and you do have to download the free software BrightAuthor Connected from the BrightSign website. The cloud service is probably the most popular service. You have a couple choices there, including bsn.cloud, which is BrightSign's cloud service, or you can choose one of their over 200 CMS partners. Once that's been determined, you do need to set up a free BSN cloud account. Now this is in order to manage your players and do player setups. In order to create that account, I've actually downloaded the BrightAuthor Connected software. If you're going to use a cloud service, you can go ahead and use the bsn.cloud web address. Now, once you've downloaded the software, and you can download it from anywhere on brightsign.biz. You'll see it on the main page. You'll have a downloads right there everywhere. You'll see it. You're going to go ahead and click connect to bsn.cloud. Once you've done this, you can see it's going to ask for a username. If you've already created an account, you can go ahead and log in here. But if you haven't, you're going to go ahead and click on register. It's going to take you and request this information. Once you've completed this information, it will ask you to verify your email address. So once you've done that, it's going to take you back and you'll be able to set up your free bsn.cloud network. I suggest you create a network name that makes sense, such as your company name or your company name with the word signage included. Once that's been done, the next step is really to follow the tutorial videos that are available on the BrightSign website. I like to use this page here, which is brightsign.biz/resources/quickstart-guide. Now, since you've determined which management method you're going to use, you can go ahead and follow along with that management method. For me, like I said, I suggested local network. So you just click on this local network, and this video will walk you through setting up your player for local network. Once that's been completed, I highly suggest you purchase an hour of training from BrightSign that'll walk you through the BrightAuthor Connected software. It'll walk you through how to create a new presentation and publish that presentation. If you kind of want to do it yourself, there are tutorial videos available. You can see those at brightsign.biz/resources/tutorial videos. I hope you found this helpful. If you need further assistance, you can reach me at theberlein@exertisalmo.com or visit our website at exertisalmo.com.